orange, yellow, what a sight. Green and blue, they're here for you. So let's draw something new. Color, color, color the world with pencils bright and bold. Color, color, color the world with stories to be told.
Kids, what things can be red? That's right.
Strawberry,
And what else? Wow,
a heart,
and more.
an apple,
So cool. Hey, little ones, what can be orange? Yes, exactly.
an orange.
What else? Oh,
Oh, a pumpkin,
and more.
a fox,
Amazing. Friends, what is yellow? That's correct.
a banana,
And what else?
the sun,
And more.
a lemon,
Awesome. Little explorers, what is green? Yes, right.
a leaf,
And what else?
a frog,
More.
cucumbers,
So fun. My dear friends, what is blue? That's right.
the sky,
And what else?
the ocean,
More.
a blueberry.
Wow.
Purple and pink make flowers grow. Brown for trees that stand in a row. Black for night and white for snow. What else can we draw? Color, color, color the world with pencils bright and bold. Color, color, color the world with stories to be told.
Hey, buddies, what is purple? Yes, exactly.
A plum,
And what else?
grape,
More.
a violet flower,
Beautiful. Dear kids, what is pink? That's correct.
a flamingo,
And what else?
cotton candy,
More.
a rose,
So nice. Hey, adventurers, what is brown? Yes, right.
a bear,
And what else?
chocolate,
More.
a tree trunk,
Fantastic. My little stars, what is black? That's correct.
the night sky,
And what else?
a panther,
More.
a bat,
Spooky. Little friends, what is white? Yes, right.
snow,
And what else?
a cloud,
More.
a rabbit.
So cute.
Gray for clouds that float up high. Silver sparkles in the sky. Gold shines bright like the sun so near. 12 colors all so clear. Color, color, color the world with pencils bright and bold. Color, color, color the world with stories to be told. Color, color, color the world with pencils bright and bold. Color, color, color the world with stories to be told.
Hey, smart ones, what is gray? That's correct.
An elephant,
And what else?
a wolf,
More.
a mouse,
Awesome. My shining stars, what is gold? Yes, exactly.
a crown,
And what else?
the sun's sparkle,
More.
a treasure chest.
So magical. Hello, guys. Have you noticed where all the color have gone? Will you help me color everything around? What color is the road?
Yeah.
That's right. Great. Great. And what color is the sky?
Blue.
That's right. Blue. Blue. Oh, what color is the sun?
Yellow.
Yes, yellow. Yellow. Friends, look at the clouds in the sky. And what color are the clouds?
White.
Right, it's white. White. Look at all the grass. Why it's it gray? So what color is the grass?
Green.
Green. Green. Wow, look at these flowers. Let's color them red.
Red.
red. Oh, children, look at the little mouse. What color are you?
Yellow.
Gray? Yes, gray. Look at the trees around. They should be brown.
Brown.
And the leaves green.
Green.
Brown and green. Oh, do you see who is standing here? That's right, it's a horse. And what color is it?
Brown.
The horse is brown too. Brown. Hello, horsey. What do you have in the mouth? It's a carrot? The carrot is orange color.
Orange.
Yes, orange. Guys, a mole. It's black.
Black.
Black. Look, friends, it's a rainbow. It always appears after the rain. The rainbow has 7 colors. Let's draw the rainbow together. They're red,
Red.
orange,
Orange.
yellow,
Yellow.
green,
Green.
blue,
Blue.
indigo,
Indigo.
violet.
White.
Thank you, children. You helped me a lot. Bye bye. See you.